Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge Harry Potter Primark try-on haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Wingardium Leviosa. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through and showing you by trying on some of the bits that I got in Primark recently. They have a huge Harry Potter range from homeware to accessories to clothing, and I haven't really bought much of the clothing recently, so I thought I'd buy loads of it, try it on and let you guys see at home, and you can tell me what you think by commenting below. If you're new to the channel, then welcome and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, then welcome back and let's get started on this huge Harry Potter Primark try-on haul. So first up, it's a really cool item, and I actually picked this up in the pajama section over there with the nightwear stuff, and I absolutely love it. It is this night dress, and I don't normally go for night dresses, but when I saw it I said I had to have it in my life. Oh, by the way, I'm actually wearing a Harry Potter pajama top because why not? I thought I'd get really comfy to talk you guys through this Harry Potter haul, and so that I could easily try on stuff and throw this back on. This night dress is so much fun. As you can see at the top there, it says waiting for my letter to Hogwarts. And then underneath you have the Harry Potter kind of crest. You have the Hogwarts crest, sorry, I should say, down the bottom. You've got all these kind of like little gold star detail around here, around the Hogwarts. You've got it down the bottom as well. And then my favourite part about this night dress has to be the middle part here, that you can actually rub your finger and rub your hand along and change the sequence from the L to the Harry Potter letter that you get. So you're waiting for the letter to Hogwarts, and then you just simply go like this, push it all up, and voila, you have the Harry Potter letter there. I think that is such a really cool element, and that was one of the main reasons that I picked this night dress up, because I just thought that was really cool, and I love when Primark do things like that. It just gives it that little bit extra more of an expensive feel to the look, and it's a little bit more fun than a normal pajama night dress. On the inside as well, it says property of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. That's a bit of a mouthful. You really feel like you're part of Hogwarts when you're wearing this. And down the bottom it says property of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry in that little label down on the bottom left hand side of the night dress. I think it's really cool, and one of another feature of this night dress that I like, it's kind of like high-low, so it's a bit lower at the front, and then where you need a little bit more coverage at the back, it's a tiny bit lower or longer, I should say. So I really like that effect to it as well. And let me see how much this guy was. This was €10, so not too bad for that. The whole sequences that you're getting a lot of embellishment and sequences, and you're getting the really fun effect of being able to play around with the middle part of it as well. As I said, you've got the detail on the inside, you've got the little label, so a lot of fun and really worth €10. I'm really glad I picked that up. So the next item in my haul is this gorgeous little t-shirt. It's a plain white t-shirt, but it has this really fun print in the middle of it. You've got Harry Potter, you've got Ron Weasley, you've got the Harry Potter scar there in the yellow, and you've got best friends. How cute is that? So you and your best friend could buy these together and wear them. If you're huge Harry Potter fans like me, then this is a really nice idea. Maybe you could get one for your friend's birthday, and you could buy one for yourself as well. They're not that expensive. I think this was only €8. Yeah, this was only €8, so I really love the little effect on the front of the t-shirt and the plain white. You can never really go wrong with plain white. I pair this with like a pair of dark denim jeans, maybe black jeans, or even a denim skirt you could wear with. It would actually go with anything because you've got the black kind of lettering, so that really complements the white as well. And I just think it's really cute. I love the little cartoon Harry and Ron there with their little wands at the ready. Really sweet, and for €8 I'm really glad I picked this up. I think it's gorgeous, and it will go with absolutely everything. So the next item in my haul is this gorgeous Harry Potter Hogwarts crest hat. I love black hats. I think they're really great because they obviously go with everything, and then the black is kind of a neutral colour. You're not going with any of the houses like the red for Gryffindor or green for Slytherin or anything. You're going for a plain black, and then I think the crest is a really nice little detail. You've got the, what does that actually say? Is it supposed to be in Latin? I never actually read the underneath of the crest before, but yeah, so that's there, and you've got all the different colours of the different houses, and it's kind of just embossed onto the hat, and the hat itself has kind of like a velcro joining at the back, so you can adjust it to the size of your head, I suppose. And this hat was only actually €5, so I think it's great value for €5. It's going to be great coming into summertime as well. You can never go wrong and have too many peak caps in your collection. I thought this was really, really nice, and I thought it'd be great as part of my Harry Potter try-on haul because it'll go with a lot of the other stuff that I purchased as well. So I thought that was a really cute, nice little one for €5, so I had to pick it up when I saw it. So the next item in my haul, and I wanted to show you the two together because I think they go really well together, but I'll just talk you through the top first. So it's this gorgeous little crop string top, and it again has the little Harry Potter cartoon character there on the left hand side of the chest, and it says Harry Potter as well, and Harry, he's got his little wand, he's got this little scar on his head as well. He's really, really cute. I got this in a size 12 so that it would be like a long crop top because the sizes did look like they ran quite small. So I wanted to get one that it would be a nice comfortable fit on me during the summer, and I thought it was really, really sweet. I love the red kind of detail around the outside, trimming of the red. I think it goes really well with the navy, and it just makes the little Harry Potter cartoon character pop as well. And this little top was only, let's see, €6, so a great little bargain there. I absolutely love it, and I thought this was really sweet, and I decided to pair this little crop top with a pair of grey leggings, and these aren't any ordinary grey leggings. Of course, they are Gryffindor themed. So you've got the Gryffindor crest there on the left leg. You've also got the Gryffindor written down the side on the left leg. The right leg is plain, but I like that because it kind of gives a contrast between one or the other. You really feel like you're going out to play a game of Quidditch or something with this outfit on. With the leggings as well, I feel like I'm ready to either lounge around the house or run out to play a game of Quidditch or something like that. The Gryffindor crest, of course, you can see that there. It's really nice the way it's embossed onto the leggings. I love the grey colour as well, and they're actually a really nice fit. Sometimes with leggings they can be a bit like too tight and kind of like clinging to you, but these were actually a really nice fit, and they felt really comfortable as well on. And these were only €8 as well. So at the Harry Potter collection, they have so many different variations. I think they have a couple of other types of leggings, maybe with Hogwarts and stuff on them, but I just thought the Gryffindor ones were great. I'd definitely be in Gryffindor if I was in Harry Potter and a part of the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. I just can't seem to get my head around that today. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. There we go. Moving on to the last item in my haul, and I did leave the tag on these because I wasn't 100% whether I wanted to keep them or not, but that's why I thought I'd do a try on haul for you guys so you can see me trying them on, see maybe why I won't like them, maybe why I will like them and I will keep them. And it's kind of easier to see yourselves if you want to go into Primark and do a huge Harry Potter haul like me and get yourself decked out in Harry Potter gear, then you can see exactly what they look like when they're on. So I thought these were a nice fit, but to be honest, I wasn't really that mad on the kind of like embossed detail here on the left hand side of the short. It says Team Quidditch, it actually says Gryffindor as well. I thought that could be a little bit better, but the shorts overall themselves are really nice. The fit is really nice. I love the black with the white piping and trimming, and you've got the white stripe down the side there as well, and they're kind of like a little American sports varsity shorts, you could say. Primark have loads of these in at the moment, not just Harry Potter range, but they have loads of other ones in for summer as well. But I thought they were really sweet, and for only, how much were they? I just can't. Yeah, so these were only €5. So for only €5, do you know what? Like, I could probably get over the fact that I'm not too mad on the little detail on the left hand side. They're a nice fit. They'll be nice. Maybe you could wear them as pajamas under my night dress maybe. I could also wear them out like just jogging or to the gym or something like that. So for €5, that's a really, really good price, and they'll go well with my Hogwarts hat as well, I think. I think the two of them would pair really well together, and all I need is my little top. Et voila, I have a full Harry Potter outfit and I'm ready to go running or jogging with my best friend maybe. But yeah, that is my huge Harry Potter try-on haul. I got so many fun things as you just seen. I hope you guys have enjoyed this try-on haul. If you have and you'd like to see more like this, then please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and comment below, and of course let me know if you've liked watching this video, and if you'd like to see more like this, then please do let me know, guys. And I'll see you again real soon. Happy shopping! Expelliarmus, Wingardium Leviosa.